Assalamualaikum students, again welcome back to online classes. It's me Miss Maryam, and today we will recall our previous topic, and the topic is a smart machine. So students, what is computer? Yes, computer is an electronic and smart machine. There are 4 types of computer. First one is desktop computer. The computer that you keep on desk is called desktop. Another type is Palmtop computer that you can keep on your palm is called Palmtop computers. This is an example of Palmtop. Laptop computer that you can keep on your laps is called laptop. This is an example of laptop computers. Tablet. It's a device intermediate in size between a laptop computer and a smartphone. Hope you understood the different types of computer. Let's discuss home task. In week 5, what you will do, you have to draw the different types of computer on a color paper. And in week 6, you have to learn all the question answer of topic a smart machine. Hope you got it. Thank you.